Hello everybody, I'm Ulrich with your Fix It Auto, and today I'm going to be showing you a really cool upgrade for those that have these early generation Sierras and Silverados, where you can go from this GM Key Fob over to an upgraded new one from Boost Auto Parts. This upgrade is really cool, and one thing that I love about this truck is that you can actually do this yourself. You don't have to take this into a dealership to get it programmed. You can actually just program it yourself. It's actually a very simple process. I'm actually going to be programming both of these to this truck. I'm going to have this one as a spare, and I'm going to be using this key fob as my main key fob for this truck. And I'm going to be showing you just how I'm going to do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to put the key into the ignition. We're going to move on over to the unlock and lock buttons over here. So we're just going to hold on to the unlock. So while holding down the unlock button, you just go on, off, let go of the unlock. You should hear the locks go through a cycle, and that means that it's in programming mode. While it's in this programming mode, all you have to do is hold on to the lock and unlock buttons till you hear it cycle, and then that tells you that it's programmed. That took roughly about 20 seconds. I'm also going to do the same thing to the old key fob. Just like that. Because once you go into this programming mode, it does deprogram this. So now you can just test it. Lock, unlock, just like that, and we're programmed and good to go. And that's all there is to it. It's a cool little cheap $40 mod to your car. It does feel like you're doing a cheat code when you're programming this car. It's actually a really cool feeling. But now it's awesome to know that I have a spare just in case, but I'll be rocking this one from now on as my main key fob. So that's it, everybody. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It'll definitely put a smile on my face and help keep this channel going. So thank you guys so much for watching.